Good morning. First, we learned to add fractions, so now we learn to subtract them. Our lesson today is subtracting fractions. If you can add fractions, you'll have no problem to subtract them. This represents 3/4, and I have to subtract 1/4 from this fraction. The remainder will be 2/4. Without models, you can see that the denominators are the same, so you subtract the two numbers on the top. The denominators here are the same, so we subtract the two numbers on the top. 3 minus 1 equals 2. The answer will be 2/4. This is like when we add fractions of the same denominators. So, if the two fractions have the same denominator in addition or subtraction, we just keep the denominator and add or subtract the two numbers on the top. Another example. 5/6 minus 1/6. The two denominators are the same. So keep it and just subtract the two numbers on the top. 5 minus 1 equals 4/6. We studied in comparing fractions that 1 can be equals 2 halves or 2/2, 3/3, 4/4, and so on. You can change 1 by any number, by any fraction. Its numerator equals to its denominator. 6/6, 10/10, anything over the same thing. 1 minus 4/10. I have 1. This is a whole number. How to change 1 as a fraction? As we know, we can change 1 by any number, by any fraction. Its numerator and its denominators are equal. I need the two denominators to be the same. Here 10 and put 10. So 1 equal 10/10 or 10 out of 10. Now we have 10/10 minus 4/10. The two denominators are the same. So we can subtract the two numbers on the top. 10 minus 4 equals 6. This example, 1 minus 4/6. I need two fractions, so we can change 1 and put a fraction. Its denominator is 6. 1 equal 2 halves, 3/3, 4/4, 5/5, and 6/6. Now the two fractions have the same denominator, so we can subtract the two numbers on the top. 6 minus 4 equal 2/6. Another one. 1 minus 4/5 equal space. Change 1 and put a fraction. Its denominator is 5. 5/5 equals 1. Now the two fractions have the same denominator. 5. Subtract 5 minus 4 equals 1/5. Another example. 8/8 minus 1/8 equal. The two fractions have the same denominators, so we subtract the two number on the top and keep the denominator 8 at the two fractions. 8 minus 1 equals 7. 1 minus 2/10. I have a whole number, number 1. Change it as a fraction. You can change 1 and put 2 halves, 3/3, 4/4, 5/5. I need a fraction, its denominator like 10. So you can write 10/10. Now the two fractions have the same denominator, so keep it and just subtract the two numbers on the top. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Another one, 9 sevenths minus 3 sevenths equal. The two denominators are the same, so keep it and subtract the two numbers on the top. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Now open your booklet, page 19, exercise number 2. This one. Letter A. 7 eighths minus 3 eighths. The two fractions have the same denominators, so keep it and subtract the two numbers on the top. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Letter C. 15 over 18 minus 11 over 18. The two denominators are the same, so keep it and subtract the two numbers on the top. 15 minus 11 equals 5 minus 1 equals 4, and 1 minus 1 equals 0. This number is 4. Letter E. 1 minus 2 ninths. I need to change 1 as a fraction. Which fraction I'll choose? I need a fraction, its denominator is 9. So, move 1, remove 1 and put fraction, its denominator is 9. Of course, 9 ninths equal 1. Now, the two fractions have the same denominator, so keep it and subtract the two numbers on the top. 9 minus 2 equals 7. Exercise number 3 on addition and subtraction, both. Letter A. 1 seventh plus 4 sevenths. The two denominators are the same, so keep it and add. Be careful, this is addition. Add the two numbers on the top. 1 plus 4, after 4 or 5, so put 5. The answer will be 5 sevenths. 1 minus 4 elevenths. Change 1 as a fraction, its denominator is 11. I need a fractions, its denominator is 11 and equals to 1. 11 over 11 equals to 1. Now we can subtract 11 minus 4 equals, keep the denominator, 11 minus 4 equals 7. Letter E. 4 ninths plus 2 ninths plus 3 ninths. The three fractions have the same denominator, so keep it and subtract the three numbers on the top. 4 minus 2 equals 6, and 6 plus 3 equals 9. 9 over 9 equals 1. Excellent. Letter G. 6 over 18 minus 2 over 18. The two denominators are the same. Keep it and subtract the two numbers on the top. 6 minus 2 equals 4. In the morning, May walks 3/4 kilometer. In the evening, she walks 1/4 kilometer. How long does she walk? We'll add the two fractions together. 3/4 and 1/4. 3/4 plus 1/4. The two denominators are the same, so keep it and add the two numbers on the top. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 over 4 equals 1. Thank you.